You are never truly alone. There are billions of tiny dust particles floating around in the air at any given time. And when it comes to space, there are even more things that you can't see that are just as scary. Here are 5 true scary space facts you wish you never knew. Number 5. Space is full of deadly radiation. When you're outside, you're bombarded by radiation from the sun. This can cause cancer and other serious health problems. The further away from Earth you get, the worse it gets. Astronauts who have been to space multiple times have significantly higher levels of cancer than the general population. Number 4. You could be killed by a random asteroid. In 2013, a 20-meter-wide asteroid named 2013 TV423 struck the Earth. It happened over the Atlantic Ocean, so no one was hurt, but scientists estimate that it would have caused significant damage if it had hit a city. NASA is constantly scanning the skies for dangerous asteroids, but there are so many out there that we can't see. And even the ones we can see, we can't always predict where they'll end up. So there's always a chance that one could hit Earth and cause mass destruction. Number 3. There's a black hole in the middle of our galaxy. If you've ever seen a black hole, you know how terrifying they are. They're basically a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Anything that gets too close to a black hole gets pulled in and crushed. Black holes are scary enough on their own, but when you realize that there's one in the middle of our galaxy, it's even scarier. The good news is that our solar system is about 26,000 light-years away from the center of the galaxy, so we're pretty safe. Number 2. Space is completely silent. When you think of space, you probably imagine a bunch of spaceships flying around and astronauts talking to each other. But the truth is that space is completely silent. There's no air to carry sound waves, so anything that happens in space stays in space. This means that if a spaceship were to explode, no one would hear it until it was too late. No one. Space can make you go crazy. When humans spend too much time in space, they start to lose their sanity. This is because the isolation and lack of gravity can cause serious psychological problems. In fact, some astronauts have actually gone insane while in space. So if you ever go to space, make sure to bring some friends. Subscribe for more crazy and horrifying space facts.